there's 3 worms in there. The first one, it broke off. This is a weightless Texas rig. Oh shit, it just broke it off. Dang! Dang! That was a good one. Ah! I retied. First cast on my weightless Texas rig. Oh, good. There's a second. Oh my goodness. Broke off again, man. That's like, I gotta catch this fish. Oh, sorry. Maybe there's 2 here. Yeah. Dude, that was crazy. Oh man, this is my oh man. Oh my goodness, this is my PB this year. Woo! I dropped his eggs, but this is like a 20-incher for sure. Look, red on the tail. Look at that thing. Yep, there's my T-rigs in there. Let me go help that out. It broke off twice. Look at that. There's 3 worms in there. The first one, it broke off. The second one broke off, and the third one, I just caught it on. Just goes to show you when it wants it. Almost 19 and a quarter, 19 and a half almost. Took 3 casts to get this one. It broke off 2 senkos.